everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I don't know why I just clapped. Okay, let's try that again. Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. So today's video, as you can see by the title, is going to be our October BoxyCharm unboxing. I am a little late. I'm really mad because my boxes have just been coming a little bit later, and it just kind of like irks my nerve because I want to get the videos up early in the month, but I possibly can't because between being a mom and doing everything else and receiving this late, I have to like make time to record this. So yeah, sorry that it's late, but here we are. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first product that we have here, I already had a little sneak peek, okay? So the first product we have here is pretty shitty. I'm pretty, like, not upset, but upset that I got this because I really didn't want this in my box. So these are the Julep Beauty Makeup Removing Towelettes. They are pore refining and they have witch hazel in them. Like, I do not need makeup wipes in my box because I can go and get this, and most of the time I don't even use makeup wipes. I use micellar water. But these right here retail for $20, and again, yeah, something I would not spend $20 on some wipes to remove my makeup. Like, it's not gonna happen. So we got that in here. The next thing we have is this is from Laura Geller, which is nice. This is the Skin Perfecting Primer. It says hydrate, moisturizes, and replenish. And this retails for $32, so pretty nice size. It's 2 fluid ounces, $32. I'm definitely excited to try this out. It says 2-in-1 moisture and primer, so we'll see, and I'll let you guys know sometime how I feel about that, if I like it or not. I do have like a favorites and not favorites video, whatever, coming up soon, so definitely keep an eye out for that. The next thing we have here is a Hannah Lee matte bronzer. So I haven't opened this to check this out and see what it looks like, so let's go ahead and check it out. I hate these boxes that are like so difficult to open. Like, what are you trying to hide? Okay, so that's what it looks like on the outside. Okay, it looks pretty nice. Pretty nice for my skin tone. I feel like it's more on the cooler side, which I don't really mind at all. So this bad boy retails for $25. So kind of like comparable to like the Tarte ones. I feel like that's the vibe I'm getting from it. The outside does feel kind of cheap, but we have, this is from House. How do you even say this name? Like, how do you even say the brand? Okay, so this is for, let me see. This is $20. So this is a versatile multi-face shimmer liquid eyeshadow. Okay, so let me see what it looks like. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch. Okay, it feels kind of watery, but there is pigment there, but it feels kind of watery. Now, I don't know if that's just from like sitting there. Probably gotta like shake it up a little bit, but it does feel kind of watery, although it isn't moving anywhere. But yeah, okay, I'm going to go ahead and open up the next product and see how that dries, and this is in the color Flash. And then the last item we have, this is from Glow Recipe. Okay, I like Glow Recipe. So this is the Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. It's a highlighting serum, and this retails for, where are you? Okay, this retails for $34, and this is just 1.35 fluid ounces. I was kind of disappointed that I didn't receive a palette this month, but okay, whatever, because I want to put those stupid makeup wipes in here, but okay. Alright, so now that I'm touching this, it is dry, but I am getting like, not flicking off, but I am getting like some of it on my hand. So it's not really like permanent. It's not really like something you can use on its own. You would definitely have to put a silver shadow on top of it, and that just kind of like defeats the purpose of it. You know what I mean? So yeah, there's that, I guess. But yeah, that is my box. Kind of disappointing, you know, there's a few products that were like disappointing, this being one of them and the makeup wipes being another. But other than that, grateful anyways for like the skincare products, and the bronzer looks pretty cool. But yeah, I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely give me a like on the way out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.